Setting up a BVI company means zero corporate tax, and it is the most important advantage for all investors who choose to open a company here. That is why today we'll discover together the advantages that make the British Virgin Islands incorporation so popular. Hello everyone, I'm Misha, and let's get started. First, you need to pick the right type of company. In the BVI, the most common form is a business company, often used as an exempt company, which can operate entirely outside the islands. There's also other structures such as companies limited by warranty, unlimited companies, but most foreign investors default to be BC. To begin, you must select and reserve a company name that meets BVI naming guidelines. Next, you'll prepare your memorandum and articles of association, the constitution of the company, along with the required documents on shareholders, shares, and registered offices. Keep in mind that you'll also need to appoint a registered agent licensed in the BVI and maintain a registered office address in the BVI. These are mandatory for all BVI companies. Once documents are ready, the incorporation takes 2 to 3 business days. If you work with our experienced formation specialists, they'll handle drafting, filling, and liaising with the registrar on your behalf. Now, let's talk about directors and shareholders. A British Virgin Islands business company requires at least one director, and shareholders can be individuals or legal entities. There is no minimum share capital requirement. One of the biggest draws of BVI incorporation is the tax neutrality. No corporate taxes, no capital gain tax, no income taxes for companies operating outside the islands. However, be aware of economic substance rules. If your BVI company carries on certain relative activities, example finance, insurance, intellectual property, you must demonstrate sufficient substance in the jurisdiction. After incorporation, your ongoing obligations are relatively light. Filing an annual return, paying an annual government fee, maintaining corporate registers, directors, shareholders at the registered agent's office, and complying with economic substance reporting if applicable. Of course, this is a brief walkthrough of setting up a British Virgin Island company. If you need deeper guidance, check out our website for full resources and professional support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.